Hello everyone. Construction Management Training Institute is a professional training institute working towards development of construction professionals, providing innovative training programs as per the industry requirements. CMTI is founded by engineer Ashok Kumar, an experienced project management professionals having 2 decades of experience in project management function and worked with leading construction companies like L&T, HCC, JMC and other companies. Project
Certificate course on Advanced Construction Management. Construction Management Training Institute offering Certificate on Advanced Construction Management course for budding construction professionals aspiring a quick start in the construction world. This course is thoughtfully designed by the construction experts working in various domains of construction. As a fresher, getting the job skill is important, as the academics is not covering the job skill which is necessary to learn from experts to have a better prospect. CMTI Certificate on Advanced Construction Management course comprises of important domains of construction such as project planning, quantity surveying and estimation using Excel and IS 1200, quality assurance and quality control, contracts and procurement, formwork, site execution procedures, safety in construction, building services, interior in construction, basics of drones in construction, BIM in construction management basics, facade in construction, introduction to green buildings, and how to crack interview. Everyone is looking for experience. By completing the course, you will be able to crack interviews and your CVs will get preference by construction companies as you are learning best.
planning is an important function in a project. Any civil engineer should be good in project planning, which helps to deliver the project in given time and cost. Project manager or planning engineer's responsibility is to foresee the works and plan the resources, time, cost according to the requirements. Once the planning is done, during the execution, he has to monitor and track the project as per the plan. Planning engineer or project manager should be good in understanding the scope of work, sequence of construction, understanding the construction drawings, understanding the specifications of works, time, cost, resource planning, preparation of detailed schedules using softwares. Our project planning syllabus is designed by leading project management professionals having 30 plus years of experience in the construction industry.
Learning about reading of construction drawings, taking of quantities as per IS 1200 for the construction activities, preparation of bar bending schedule, rate analysis, preparation of invoice for the work done. In quality assurance and quality control, you will be learning do's and don'ts at the work and best construction procedures, mandated testing procedures for materials and other finished products. In contracts and procurement, you will be learning the different types of contracts, tenders, vendor evaluation, quotations, negotiation, and how to award a contract, GST and other procedures of contracts. In formwork, you will be learning various types of formwork used in construction, do's and don'ts in formwork procedures. In site execution processes, you will be learning about construction procedures for various works. The daily training will be online for 3 hours and assignments will be for 3 hours. Total course duration is 8 weeks online and 4 weeks we can give internship at projects. Internships are non-mandatory, but we suggest to go to internships to feel the site atmosphere and learn the work at live. It's a hybrid training program. Nearly 750 plus students took this course in last 3 years and have secured excellent knowledge and placement in the leading companies. Instead of searching for better jobs, we suggest students and working professionals to enhance skill sets which is required by the employer, and it results employee to consider you as the best choice. It's a certificate course by Scientific Technical Education Department Council and it's a recognized course by the industry experts. For more details, you can visit our website www.cmtionline.com or call or WhatsApp us on 8844 22279.